Upwards, come down, forwards, backwards, twisted round. He grabs a pile of letters from a small suitcase, disappears into an office, it's another working day. And his thoughts are full of strangers, corridors of naked lights. And his mind was full of reason. Now there's more than meets the eye. A stranger's face he carries with him. He likes a bit of reading on the subway home. A distant radio whistling tunes that nobody knows. At home a house awaits him, he unlocks the door, thinking once there was a sea here, but there never was a door.